Hello, seniors. I hope you're having a great weekend. I just want to take this moment to go over a few assignments that we are going to be doing this week. As you can see over here, these are your remote learning journals for this week. Those are due Friday. And then you've got 2 assignments that are due this Wednesday. On Wednesday, I will post 2 more assignments that will be due on Friday. So we're going to split this week up into 2 parts again. So let's take a look at classwork. Alright, same thing with your journals. They're here. Aim for a 5-minute write or 6 to 7 sentences per journal. And make sure you date your journals. Your journals are on the same slides as the rest of your remote learning journals. And if you just slide on down, you can see them. So here's where week 5 starts. And then each day has 2 prompts. Alright, let's take a look back at our assignments. So as you can see here, you've got 2 for this week. Directions: read the article, which is on the Google Doc, and we'll go over that in a second, and then answer the 5 questions in 1 to 2 sentences each. So you must answer all 5 questions in 1 to 2 complete sentences in order to earn full points. If you do not do that, if you don't follow the directions, I will return the assignment to you, let you know what you need to fix, and then you can turn it back in for full points, but it is important that you follow directions. Alright, make sure you type your answers in a separate Google Doc as well. Let's look at our assignment. So this first one is an article. It's not very long, but I'll show you kind of how it looks in a second. Again, directions: read the article, answer the questions, 1 to 2 complete sentences. Okay, I'm going to say that several times. Alright, a little bit about the article. While the facial expressions of our friends and family can give us an idea about what they're feeling, the facial expressions of our pets largely remain a mystery to us. In this informational text, Mirjam Gusten discusses researchers' attempts to create new technology that can decipher animals' facial expressions. As you read, take notes on what researchers know about animals' facial expressions and what else they need to learn. So here's the article, not super long, and then the questions are down here. Make sure you're answering them in 1 to 2 complete sentences. I would suggest probably just copying and pasting them onto another Google Doc. Alright, let's take a look at our second assignment. This one is a poem. Same directions apply, 1 to 2 complete sentences. And type your answers on a separate Google Doc. Alright. This is a poem titled A September Night by George Marion McClellan. George Marion McClellan was a minister, teacher, fiction writer, and distinguished African-American poet. He is best known for his 2 poetry collections, Songs of a Southerner and The Path of Dreams. In this poem, the speaker describes a September night in Angela, Mississippi. As you read, take note on the author's use of personification. And your 5 questions are down here. Again, same as the last assignment, each question is worth 1 point for 5 points total, and you need to write in complete sentences. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon.